Created by Sam Ovens, endorsed by Alex Emoji. The online platform of skool.com has over 1 million users online. I'm now going to show you why it's the best sales page there is out there for you to make $100,000 online. So let me run you through this sales page. It's so simple. This is probably one of the most simplest sales pages which I've ever seen, and it literally costs you $99 a month to make. If you want to start the sales page right now, the first link in the description is where you can do it. So let me just run you through this sales page. It's pretty simple to set up. So over here, you can set up the general description of what the sales page is selling or what you're actually selling, right? Or whatever the lead magnet's about. For me, it's helping community owners and coaches get to 1,000 members in 90 days. And then I can check the about page for the communities I've scaled, as well as the links. I can put 3 relevant links, which I can show to people. Now, people click on this is what they see. And over here, you can add the VSL or whatever video you want to add. You can add 4 more. So you can add either images or you can add videos as well. Okay, so it's really, really simple. Add 4 or 5 images, add a video sales letter, first thing they can see. Now you can add like the copies right here. So you have 1,000 letters. You have 1,000 characters to leverage the copy. Now you can't add more than 1,000 letters, it's just like that. School just wants to keep it as simple as possible, right? So you can let your copy however you want. You can have social proof here, like I have over here, like past 3.5k members and exited on it, past 17.5k members and exited on it. And you can add links as well. So like I can link the communities which I've actually scaled personally, just to show you guys some proof. And then on top of that, you can give some value stacks as well. What you get, 30-day blueprint, as well as some bonuses as well, and total value, and then click and join, like the CTA at the end. Like this is by far probably one of the most simplest sales pages there is out there. And it's like, there are people making $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 simply on this platform. Now, if you guys don't believe me, let me just show you real quick how much money these guys are making simply from just leveraging Skool as their only sales page. Now, if I go to the leaderboard over here and I go to all-time music, let's just go business. All-time business. This is just a business category in general. So Keytron is leveraging this sales page and making over $300,000 a month. That's pretty incredible, right? Let me check your sales page out. Look how simple that is. So he's got a VSL right there. He's got a few images. The goal is to help 10,000 people become millionaires. And he's got the thing right there. That's basically the about page, the copy. It's as simple as that. It's better than having 10, 15 different pages of copywriting, like spending thousands of dollars on a landing page, spending $99 a month for your ClickFunnels subscription, spending $3,000 on making the copy. Like it's just a waste of time. Why not just have it in one place? Pay $99 a month. You can host a community and you can have a sales page on top of that as well. Pretty incredible, right? Look, so other communities, these guys are making over $100K a month simply from using this. If I can go to self-improvement, let's check this out. $80,000 a month. All right, health, $78,000 a month. Career, about 62K. Sports, 26K, right? So it's pretty incredible, right? The amount of money you can make simply from leveraging these sales pages. So if you want to make your own sales page from this platform called Skool, the second link in the description is going to be where you can start your one, and the first link in the description, sorry, repeat that. Now, if you want to start your own Skool community and actually get all these sales pages just for $99 a month, the second link in the description is going to give you the exact templates, exact scripts, exact way to set it up properly so you can scale past 1,000 members in no time, whether that's paid or free. And the first link in the description is a link where you can actually just go and start it. So make sure you start taking action today.